Hey, welcome to 1 Minute Excel. Wanted to take you through the text formula today and just do some really quick run-throughs on certain areas where I find it to be very helpful, mostly in terms of extracting certain elements of a given date over here, as well as adding leading zeros to certain numbers. Sometimes you need the leading zeros, and oftentimes Excel will remove them, which can be a little bit annoying, but there's a really quick fix to show that. So we'll walk through it, a couple examples, and explain as we go. So you want to say equals text, open parentheses, select the cell in question. I'm going to hit F4 3 times just to lock it so I can shift columns without it jumping. Comma. The format of the text is really just the desired appearance of it. How do you want it to appear? So there's a couple of walkthroughs on date formatting. The first one is if you wanted the day as the number, it would be DD, or close parentheses. You can see it there. It says it's the 31st. That's correct. I'm going to go ahead and copy this over for one row, and we'll modify as we go. So now if we wanted the full day name, add one more D. So it's 3 Ds there in between the quotation marks. If you wanted the month number, the DD is going to change to MM. If you wanted the month name, you guessed it, it's going to be 3 M's. There you go. If you wanted the full month name, what's nice is you can actually just do 4 M's and it'll apply to every month. It will pick up the entire month name. And then the last two are really just the year short, which will just give you the last 2 digits of the year, and the year full, which you would then do 4 Y's, and that'll give you the full amount. And we'll go ahead and copy that down quick. And you'll see the data will populate across each given day. It's kind of handy if you just wanted to know what the day was for a particular date range. It's kind of nice. And then the last thing I want to show you is the leading zeros. So if you wanted to modify these, we can actually just copy it over here and we'll modify it. So I'm going to shift over 1. So I want to look at this random license number, but I want it to have 10 characters instead of 7. It has 7 right now. So what I can do here is put 10 zeros. And it'll automatically throw the additional zeros as leading in the front. You now have your 10-digit number with leading zeros instead of 7. And those are just a couple really helpful examples of the text formula. Feel free to play around with it and see what helps. And thanks again for watching.